Let's be completely transparent for a second. Have you ever been standing in the checkout line at the grocery store, looking at the total on the screen, looking at your bank app, and praying with everything inside of you that the swipe actually goes through? It is one of the most stressful, exhausting feelings in the world. Your paycheck is still 4 days away, but your kids need to eat today. Your gas tank is on empty today, and traditional banks, they do not care. They want to charge you a $35 overdraft fee just because you didn't have enough money to buy milk. If you are in that tight spot right now, take a deep breath. You do not have to go to a predatory payday loan place, okay? And you don't have to beg your family for a loan. Today, we are looking at 5 legitimate financial apps that will advance you cash instantly to cover groceries, bills, or small emergencies with zero interest and no credit checks. To make it easy for you, I did put the direct download links to every single app I'm talking about today over on my blog. But I'll leave the link in the description box below in the pinned comment section so you can grab these funds immediately after this video. So let's get straight into it. So first up on our list is Chime, specifically their My Pay and Spot Me features. Okay, now Chime isn't just a basic app, it's a massive online banking platform that built its entire reputation on helping regular people protect their coins. So if you set up your direct deposit with them, their new My Pay feature lets you pull out up to $500 of your upcoming paycheck early. But my absolute favorite feature is called Spot Me. Okay, Spot Me is basically fee-free overdraft protection. If your account hits zero and you're at the grocery register, Chime will literally spot you up to $200 on your debit card purchases. There's no overdraft fees, there's no penalties. They just deduct it when your next check hits. Now, next up is earning. Let's face it, the traditional rule where you have to work for 2 weeks before you're allowed to see your own money is completely outdated. Earnin completely smashes that layout. Now, this app syncs with your work schedule or your hourly tracking. Now, if you go to work on Monday and earn $150, Earnin lets you cash out that $150 that same day. You can draw up to $150 a day or up to $500 per pay period before your official payday hits. Now, there are no mandatory interest rates, and the app operates on an optional tip system or a very tiny flat fee if you need the money sent to your debit card in under 2 minutes. Now, if you need a quick midweek grocery haul, Earnin is elite. Now, job number 3. Well, app number 3 is named Dave. Dave has a feature called Extra Cash that will instantly advance you up to $500 depending on your banking history. Here is the best part. There is absolutely no credit check. Okay, Dave doesn't care about a low credit score. They just look at your regular deposit history to make sure that you have money coming in. Now, if you qualify, they send the cash straight to your account. There are no late fees, no interest, and it automatically settles up when your next paycheck arrives. Now, if a utility bill sneaks up on you, go talk to Dave. Now, fourth on our list is Vero, and specifically their Vero Advance program. Okay, now what I love about Vero is that they give you an incredible amount of breathing room. Once your account is active and receiving regular deposits, you can instantly request an advance between $20 and $500. And most cash advance apps are incredibly aggressive. They will snatch the money back the exact millisecond that your direct deposit lands, even if it leaves you broke again. Vero, it doesn't do that. They give you a clean, flat 30-day window to pay the advance back. So if your next check is going to be a little light or delayed because of a holiday, Vero gives you the time that you need to get back on your feet. And finally, we have the heavyweight of the instant advance world, Money Lion, and their Instacash feature. Now, if you just need a smaller buffer for groceries, MoneyLion can easily start you off with the $25 to $500 zero interest advance based on your regular banking patterns, okay? But if you have a massive emergency, like your transmission blows out or your refrigerator breaks, and you set up your primary direct deposit into their war money account, MoneyLion can scale your instant cash advance limit all the way up to $1,000. Now, that is the highest limit of almost any instant financial app on the market without dealing with high interest credit card debt. Now, here's a core lesson: breaking the paycheck to paycheck loop. These 5 apps are incredible tools to pull you out of a tight financial spot today. They keep the lights on and keep food on the table. But I want to keep it completely real with you. Relying on borrowing your own paycheck early every month is not a permanent solution. It is a temporary band aid on a deeper structural issue. True financial peace of mind, it doesn't come from finding a better app to borrow from. It comes when you break out of the paycheck to paycheck loop completely by building your own independent income stream. Now, here's exactly what I do, and it is why I teach people how to turn their personal passions and their knowledge or their unique hobbies into automated digital assets that earn revenue for them 24/7. So, if you are tired of stressing over grocery money, I want you to do 2 things right now. First, click the link in the description below to go to my blog and check out exactly what I do to make money in my sleep. Grab the direct download links for these Cash Apps so you can handle your business today. But second, while you are on my site, look at the 2026 Creative Opportunity Training Blueprint that I have on there. When you exit, it will pop up, and just fill out the information so you will know. And I will show you the exact system I use to build sustainable online assets with zero tech confusion and zero gatekeeping. Head over to the blog, get your instant funds, check out the blueprint, and let's start making some real boss moves together, okay? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which app helped you out the most. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the inside.